Hello people! So this is it. It's medyo gloomy lang pero it's the holidays. Syempre, when it's the holiday, merong pahamang company and mga iba-iba pang eme-eme pang celebrate ng Noche Buena or New Year's Eve. And syempre hindi mawawala yung mga get together with friends, most especially yung old friends. And syempre chika-chika and everything. Tapos masarap na dinner dito sa Peri Peri Chicken. Yummy kaya. Pero di namin naubos kasi ang dami. Look at this chicken naman, di ba? Ang sarap. Then we decided to go to Eastwood so we can recreate yung pangmalakasang inuman namin nung college days. So ito na nga, sabi namin, sige tara inuman tayo, margarita sa Agave. But the tita and us kicked in, kaya nauwi na lang kami sa kape. And medyo mas malapit pa sa bahay. Afterwards, syempre, tuloy pa rin ang chikahan. And of course, you have to check out the bonggang display during the holidays sa mga malls. With your family of course. Ba talaga ang Christmas sa Pilipinas? Sobrang nakakamiss. It just feels going back when you are a kid. And syempre, it's lunchtime on your old-time favorite, Candy Rogers. Yummy pa rin. Di nagbago. Guys, holiday isn't just for your bonuses, gift giving, or receiving, but you also have to be thankful for all the blessings that you have received for the whole year, and most especially for the coming years. So be thankful, diba? Syempre, hindi mawawala yung pa-Christmas party ng company mo. Tapos, abangers ka sa kung anong marireceive mo na giveaway for this company. Tapos, comparing notes sa previous company. Tapos, syempre, may exchange gift din. Yung akala mo, yun na yung marireceive mo kahit nang munito-munito kayo. Kaso, iba pala. Tapos, meron naman yung iba. Kunwari, di mo alam yung na-receive mo, pero expected mo na kasi nilista mo kung ano yung gusto mo. Then, yung mga pa-after party inuman, get together with your team. Saya lang eh. At wala ang katapusang kainan, talagang magigain weight kayo during the holidays. Diet na lang ulit for next year. But first, coffee and these cute doggies na nakasabay namin on the road going to our next event. Ang cute, sarap lamutakin. So, ito na nga, the day after Noche Buena. Syempre, hindi mawawala yung reunion with your family and your other relatives. I was looking forward to this when I was a kid. Yung magla-line up ka just to get your pamasko. Then, there are games for kids and young at heart. Tapos, agawan sa mga pera, kahit coins lang yan. Go! And see you next year ulit, lalo na doon sa tita mong tanong ng tanong kung kailan ka mag-aasawa. Kastanyas, bibingka, puto bongbong, morcon, embutido, ube halaya, some of the few foods that can be associated during Christmas holidays. And here is my special share for the new year, my mini Basque burnt cheesecake. Never thought I'd pull this off using an air fryer. Oops, it's New Year's Eve. Happy New Year, people! That's it, pansit. Buo na yung holiday experience mo. Paputok and kain na after the putukan. Hey, 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 you thought it was already finished? Tell me you're not a Filipino when you don't have a Starbucks planner. Thank you so much to my very generous sponsor, my sister, and for letting me experience unboxing again a Starbucks planner.